Hello, my name is Natalie Diaz and I am an educational technologist. And in this video, we'll be going over dev shells. So in this video, we'll be going over what is a dev shell, how to request a dev shell, how to add content, adding collaborators, and importing dev shell to your term course. So what is a dev shell and how do you request one? You will hear the word dev shell and the word sandbox shell being used interchangeably, but they are basically the same thing. So a dev shell allows you to create, edit, experiment on content you are interested in using for your course. So this is a way for you to experiment, add content, take away content without the fear of deleting important items in your live shell. And it's a way for you to also develop a shell while your live course is currently happening. So in the future, you will be able to use those changes that may have come to you during your live course that you want to improve for next time. You can request a dev shell by creating a ticket or asking your local ed tech. We may ask some follow-up questions like what you want to title this dev shell and other items, which you'll simply just need to reply back to. So right now we're going to go into a demo in how you can use your dev shell, how to import content, how to add collaborators, and then how to eventually be able to export this into a live course shell. When you request a dev shell and it gets created, you'll receive a pop-up request at the very top of your Ivy Learn screen. Once you have accepted that request, you will then see your dev shell appear into your dashboard. For example, here is my dev shell. To be able to load content into your dev shell, there are many different ways. You can ask a fellow instructor for their content that you are interested in using. You can create it from scratch, or you can use past content from a past course and import it into your dev shell. You can also go into the comments and search up similar classes and import that into your dev shell. So those are different ways in which you can add content into your dev shell. And for example, let's go into the comments. Let's say I want to download the AgriD 102 online fall 2024 content into my course. I would just simply need to click into that. And then I just need to click on the right side, import and download. And then choose where I want to download that content to. So for me, I want to download it into Sandbox for NDS4. Make sure you know the name in which you want to import it to. And then I will just simply need to import into course. What you can also do is you can download it onto your computer and then upload it into your shell. If you decided to download the content or your fellow coworker has sent you their content, you can simply just go to your settings in the Sandbox shell, go to import course content, then click on content type, and click on Canvas Course export package, and you can upload it into your Canvas shell. If you have taught a course in the past and you want to reuse that content and just edit it a bit, you can copy a Canvas course and then type in that course name and include the completed courses. Since I have not taught a course before, nothing will show up on my end. And then from there, you get to choose if you want to copy all content or only specific items. Let's say that you and fellow coworkers want to develop a course together. You can always add collaborators by going into the People tab and click on the plus People button, and then type in that instructor's email address, and then add them as a DevOrg teacher. So for example, let's just add myself again. And then once you're sure that is the correct instructor, you'll click on Add Users. And that request pop-up will also pop up on their Ivy Learn page to accept. When you are ready to export your dev shell into your live course, or if you want to export it to share to someone else, you'll simply go to Settings again, click on Export Course Content, and then click on Create Export. And then from there, click on New Export. This will then download the Canvas file for you to then import into the location where you want to import. You can also go to your live course or wherever you want to import it to, and instead of exporting it, you can just click on Import, then click on Content Type, and click on Canvas Course Export Package. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can simply type in that URL in your browser, or you can email us at fortwayne-edtech@ivytech.edu. We are more than happy to help you. Have a great day.